Good day to you, my trading friends. It's Tuesday, March 9th, 2021, and I got a cherry bomb for you today. Hopefully you're on Team Green today and you find your portfolio full of positive deltas, because what I'm seeing on my screen right now is a lot of green. Lots of green. The red right now are VIX going down. It's because everything else is green. But even gold is going up with it. Looks like a pretty big move for the market in the up direction. So we're looking at a bullish trade today in Apple, which has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4. See them drops up there. An IV rank of 24, which, as explained in the email, is not particularly high for short premium, but the IV percentile is above 50%. So that does give us a good belief that we can expect volatility to potentially drop. I mean, especially with a move like today. So could you be bullish in Apple? Is it slump over? Are things going to look brighter now, maybe as we move towards the warmer weather and look forward to all those good announcements that Apple brings with their products? Who knows? But I invite you to join me. Stay tuned to the end in case you are new to this channel, and we'll explain how you can join us. So here we go. Hi, my name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate all of your views, all of your thumbs ups, and your subscriptions, should you decide to join us and do this regularly with us. So on screen here, you can see the portfolio that we've built up. We're inside of Thinkorswim using its simulated trading to take all the fear out of trading, get all the learning, right? This is what I now would like to refer to as your flight simulator. I invite you to fly with us. All right, learn to fly with us. All right, on screen here, we're going to pull up the chart for Apple. We can see it's definitely experienced some recent pain, but is it done? Is it done? Is this new? Is this old resistance here? New support, maybe? I don't know. Tea leaves. I'll let the reading of that for you. But if you look at some of the technical indicators here, we'll see that. I'll find it. Hey, we're near the bottom of the bottom band. We're looking like we might be reversing here, and we're near that 30. So Apple is looking kind of weak, which to me says it's, on sale. So here we go. Let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's go to the Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the April 9th weeklies, which 31 days to expiration as of today, March 9th. And we're going to take a look at this. The cherry bomb actually has us selling the 112 and buying the 110, but that was when the bid ask for Apple was 116, if you look at the email that we received with these trade ideas. So yeah, it's jumped up, not shockingly. Look over here, NASDAQ's up over 2.3% right now in the overnight trading with futures. So we're going to have to adjust that, I believe. So what I came up with is a slight modification. I did this in Tastyworks over here, trade. So instead of selling the 112, let's sell the 115, or I'm not going to say let's. So I'm considering, and you can consider whatever you'd like. I'm considering selling the 115 and buying the 113. So a $2 wide spread, short one contract for the 115 and long one put for the 113, which gives us a credit of 80 cents, which is more than the 1/3 of the width. But what's our probabilities in this case? In this case here, we're looking at a probability of roughly 60% profit. Probability of profit on that one. And according to Tastyworks, which you have to take with a grain of salt because their data hasn't updated yet with a new at the money being right here, right? They're saying it's a 70% probability of us taking off half of the max profit in the next 31 days. Now I know, once again, I always say this, $80 or even $40 isn't the kind of thing that you brag to someone about. Maybe in the beginning when you're learning this stuff, but if you begin to learn how to make this a machine, then I think you might be surprised. All right, I'm going to right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send. See that we have a max profit of 80, a max loss of 120. So here you can trade Apple. Maybe this is something new to you, right? That, hey, you can take a position in Apple with only needing $120 at risk. Yeah, and you have way better than 50-50 probability of profiting on this one. So here we go. Going to hit send. That's going to put that into my working orders. It appears over the weekend, things have been a little hectic for me recently, and I didn't pay attention, and I got assigned some Budweiser. That's okay. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to wait for the market to pop up a little bit today, see what happens in Budweiser, and sell us a covered call. Good old covered calls, right? Gotta love that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope if you felt like, wait a minute, I owe you this first. If you made it to the end of my video, you get a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you. Wait, let me go ahead and make that full screen. Here's a bigger thumbs up. Thumbs up for you. Yes, I'm in space. Neil's in space. Any of you Muppets fans out there? All right. So anyway, yeah, made it this far. Thank you so much. If you feel like I've earned that thumbs up, there's a thumbs up somewhere at the bottom of your screen here. If you'd click that, that would be amazing. So if you're new here, what we do is we use Cherry Bomb emails that come from Tasty Trade. They recently changed their sign-up link, so for a while I didn't realize this, but the link that I've been putting in my videos goes nowhere. So I've updated the link. It takes you to their sign-up page. I don't think they use MailChimp as their email provider anymore. I could be wrong. They might have something in the back end that uses them, etc. But the link is updated. Go ahead and sign up. They have multiple different emails that you can sign up for. The Cherry Bomb is the one we use. Comes 5 days a week. Monday's motivational, hence why we didn't have a video yesterday. And then 4 days, the rest of the 4 days of the week have trade ideas in them. And we combine that with the simulated trading or flight simulator here in Thinkorswim so that we can put our theories to the test. Take as much time as you need to feel comfortable before you begin to use and put your real money that you worked so hard to earn at real risk. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining. I hope someday you do subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb trade. Until then, happy trading.